Hi, my name is Brian Tom and I'm finally starting my YouTube channel. I've just been holding myself back because I wanted it to be perfect, but I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. I'm into a lot of different things, so that's why it took me a while to start a YouTube channel, because you have to find your right niche. But I'm into things like basketball cards, I like Pokemon, and I'm into video and photography. And I'm also a Christian, and I like to read my Bible and learn from God's Word. So if you're interested in those things as well, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and follow for more content. Alright, see you on the other side. Peace. So here's a little bit of my collection. I started when I was a kid. I started with Pokemon Blue when I was a kid. I thought it was the coolest thing on Game Boy to play Pokemon. I spent hours and hours playing Pokemon Blue on the Game Boy. I had a Game Boy Color, one of those purple ones. And that started my craze into collecting Pokemon cards. Unfortunately, when I was a little kid, my mom made me sell all my Pokemon cards in a garage sale for 20 bucks. I had things like Charizard, basically a complete base set. Charizard, Blastoise, Venusaur, and all those good cards. So now that I'm an adult, I've been collecting my childhood back. I have a PSA 7 Charizard. I didn't splurge and get the complete 10, but I thought at least a 7 would be nice. In the Bible, 7 is a perfect number, so I thought it's a good enough copy to get a 7. There's some probably whitening on the edges and stuff, but just to have for nostalgia, it's nice to have a PSA 7 of my childhood card. I was fortunate enough to pull 3 of these as a kid going to Toys R Us. My mom would take me there as a kid as a reward to buy 1 pack of Pokemon, and I was lucky enough to pull at least 3 Charizards. My friends would always be jealous and ask to trade for them. I think I only ended up with 1 Charizard, but then when I was a kid, I had to sell it in a garage sale. So I probably lost a couple $1,000 selling my collection in a garage sale as a kid. But now I have a PSA 7 in my hand, which is nice to regain some of my childhood. So if you guys have any stories like that, where you were a kid and you had a good collection, but now you no longer have it and you've been trying to buy it back as an adult. So because I started off with Pokemon Blue, I like Blastoise as my starter. As you can tell, I have this one. So there's better lighting. I like this Blastoise, secret rare, maybe from Plasma. Can't remember exactly what set. I also have my Shadowless PSA 6 Blastoise. And yeah, I had someone on Instagram, her name was Tiger Lily, draw me a custom Blastoise and Gary card, so I really enjoy that card. So this is some of my Pokemon collection, as you can see. I really like this new Pikachu from Crown Zenith. I think it's a good addition to my collection. I like that it's textured. Has a really cool texture going on, and Pikachu's eyes light up. So it's a fun little card to have in the collection, I think. And then I'm also into basketball, so this is a nice Zion, Ja Morant, RJ Barrett, DeAndre Hunter, Jarrett Culver, Kobe White, Jackson Hayes, and Ryu Hachimura. 8-card, unfortunately sticker auto, 3 out of 5 from Panini. So very cool card. Let's hopefully Zion can get healthy and Ja can stay out of trouble. Ryu Hachimura is the only good player right now. And yeah, here's my Michael Porter Jr. card. I like Cornerstone because it's on card auto. You might have saw my Trae Young card earlier. And I currently, for my photography camera, have a Canon 5D Mark III. The camera I'm filming on right now is a Sony FX3. And yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!